I'm Jessica and I'm an artist, and today we're going to draw a guitar instrument. So basically a guitar is made of a few different parts. It's got the top, which is also referred to as the head or the headstock, and that comes in at the bottom here. And you know, sometimes people get really crazy with the headstock and they have these really dramatic headstock tops. You can make your own, or you can just stick with this very basic sort of rectangular shaped one. Next, we've got the neck. The neck comes down. It's just two parallel lines that are very straight. When you get to the bottom, the guitar has basically this curvy shape, and these are kind of almost S's or swervy lines, and they mirror each other and come down. And then at the bottom, there's usually just a little tip there where maybe a strap would connect, something like that. The other one's up here somewhere. And in addition, the guitar has, depending on how many strings it has, it typically has 6 tuning pegs, which are up at the top, and there's a nut, which is a piece right here, and there's also something called a bridge, which is where the strings come down and meet. And then the strings come at an angle to the nut, and then they all go down the body. It's kind of hard to draw 6 strings here because this marker is a little thick, but if you just draw a few lines down the neck and down the body of the guitar, people will get the idea. Finally, don't forget the frets. There are these lines that go across the neck all the way down to about here, and then there's a hole like that. So the frets will basically go right into that piece. And we've also sometimes got a pick guard, and the pick guard basically will kind of come out like that, depending on how thick your guitar is. And that's so that when you're strumming, you won't damage the guitar. It doesn't have to come in quite so much. Your guitar can basically be shaped like a pear, just like that. So you can do a more detailed one, a really easy one. There's a few different ways to draw a guitar instrument.